Toy Stories. So let's enjoy one right here. Scene 1. 0 and 1 are busy playing, enjoying the wonderful evening. Oh, 0 tumbles down.
Poor Zero. तुम Zero की Zero ही रहोगे. You do
Okay.
not have any value.
We
You
have
can't
a
even
bully
play, you
here.
can't even stand. Do one thing, just sit down.
Hey, why are you teasing her?
Hey, who are you to interrupt in between? Did I ask you to speak something in between then?
But I can.
No, you can't.
Scene 2. Number 1 happens to play with the other friends. 0 wants to be a part of it as well.
Hey, why are you coming? And why are you holding her hand?
You again doing the same thing.
Yes, you are also again doing the same thing. I asked
But
you not to.
she is our friend.
How come? She has no value. She's just 0. Okay?
She has no. Why can't I speak?
No, cadets. Everyone has right to speech. Under Article 19(1), we got our right to speech.
Why are you so upset, Rita?
Because nobody is playing with me.
Who said to you? And
Because-
why are they not playing with you?
Because they are telling 0 has no value.
Oh. Rita, this is very bad. I will say, I will tell you. Now, tell me, Rita, if you want to increase the value of 1 10 times more, then what should you do? I don't. Okay, I will show you. Then please come. If you join together in a right way, then definitely you become 10 and you increase the value of 1. Now you understand? Then if you have any doubt, any conceptual problem, then you can definitely come to me. Okay, now you understand your values. You increase the value of 1 10 times, 100 times more than this. Then now begin with such invention, then where does from 0 come?
But again, the same question. 0 itself has not any value.
No, beta.
He's just.
No, beta.
No.
Itself, it has some value.
How
It has its own significance in its own expert. Yes, ma'am. Now begins with inventions.
Okay, so cadets, do you all know how the 0 was invented? Who is the inventor?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so 0 was invented by a great Indian mathematician and scientist, Dr. Aryabhat. Okay, do you think you are an inventor?
No, ma'am.
Do you think you are an inventor?
No, ma'am.
So as we all know that we are not an inventor, but actually we are a great inventor in our everyday life. You know, every time we try to solve a problem that we are facing on a day-to-day basis, it is actually a kind of inventions. So basically, when you think that you are not an inventor, we are all a great inventor in ourselves. So that is the beauty of a science. That is the beauty of a math.
तो आपने इस कहानी से क्या शिक्षा ली कि सभी का अपना अपना एक अलग महत्व है, चाहे वो छोटा हो चाहे बड़ा हो, सबका अपना अपना महत्व है। अगर देखा आपने कि 0 को अगर हमने साथ मिला दिया तो 0 की वैल्यू डिजिट के साथ और टाइम बढ़ती जा रही है। जितना हम उसको मिलाएंगे उतना ही वो बढ़ता जाएगा। और इसी पे रहीम जी ने एक दोहा दिया है, रहीमन देख बढ़ेन को लघु न दीजिए डारी, जहाँ काम आए सुई कहा करे तलवारी। तो इसका कहने का मतलब है कि सुई एक बहुत ही छोटी सी चीज है, बहुत ही उसको अगर हम तलवार के सामने उसको कुछ समझेंगे, छोटा समझेंगे, तो सुई का काम तो सुई ही करेगी। अगर तलवार को सुई को हम फेंक देंगे तो तलवार से हम कपड़े नहीं सिल सकते हैं।
Learning, the children discover that, within themselves, the children discover, the cadets discover that within themselves, we all have discovered, we are inventors, we are discoverers. So we have very beautifully integrated value-based education, freedom of speech, unity, and along with that, we integrated math and science as well. So thank you all. I hope you all enjoyed.